Oh, is this flower for me? Thank you. Will you pick me some more flowers? What's your sister doing? Hi, Violet. You see Lily got me a flower? Do you want it? Can I see it? What do you think? Is it pretty? Yeah? You're gonna put it back in the ground? Oh, that's very nice, Violet. Is that where all the flowers go? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Lily got me another flower. Say hi. Hi. You want to put the flower back in the ground? Oh, wow. Thank you, Violet. What a big girl. Thank you, Violet.